Hello friends, I'm here today to show you how to make Instant Pot boxed macaroni and cheese. Now you might be thinking, why on earth would I make boxed macaroni and cheese in the Instant Pot when it is just so easy to make on the stovetop, right? Wrong. It is not easy to make on the stovetop after you've done it this way. When you just dump that in there, cooks itself practically. You can sit back, relax, uncork a bottle of wine, and then you can send me a thank you note in the comment section below. I'll be waiting. Now let me show you how this magic works, so you'll never have to boil 6 cups of water and stir pasta over a hot stove ever again. Alright, so here I have all the ingredients that we need to get started. First of all, I have my box of mac and cheese, of course. I read on the back of the box to see what I'm supposed to add to it, and it called for some butter and some milk. So I've got my butter and milk, and I have a cup and a half of water, which is something that you'll want to add to whatever else it calls for on the back of the box of mac and cheese. Of course, skip the 6 cups of water or whatever to boil the noodles. Ignore that part. You just need the cup and a half and whatever else you add to it. Little side note, thanks Oberweis for this milk. Oberweis actually delivers my milk. Got this milk today. Thanks, milkman. I'm going to take out the cheese packet, put in my pasta. Next, we'll add the cheese. And milk. I'm sorry. And the water. You're going to throw your butter in there. Boom. And the milk. It said 3 tablespoons, but I dribbled. Does anybody actually measure that? Because I don't. Good enough. All right, now everything is inside the pot. So we will put our lid on. And it sings to you when it's on. I'm going to make sure that my vent is sealed. Very important. And then I'm going to put this on manual high pressure for just 2 minutes. So there we go, now we wait. Hey, I'm back. The Instant Pot is finished. It beeped, it's in the off position, and I've let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes to do a slow, natural release. What that means is that I didn't touch the venting sealing button. I gave it 10 to 15 minutes on its own to just naturally come down a bit. The pin is still up, so I know there's still some pressure in there, but at this point I feel like it has had enough of a natural release that I am going to turn the knob to venting so that I can vent out the rest of that pressure. So it's going to be a little loud, watch out. All right, I just heard the pin drop, so now I'm going to open it up. Makes such a happy noise. I love it. Now when you lift it off, just make sure that you're not putting all the steam in your face. Just be careful. By the way, if you didn't know it, if you've got these little holes here, they're cover holders. Super cool. So now I am just going to mix it up. So now my mac and cheese is done. It is ready. It is super hot. But it's ready to serve or add whatever special things you might like to put in there. I would love to hear what you like to put in your mac and cheese. I know some people add ketchup or salsa or chili or hot dogs, you know, whatever. I would love to hear different takes that you have on mac and cheese. Alright, that concludes my tutorial on how to make Instant Pot macaroni and cheese from a box. How easy was that? I hope that you try it and comment below, tell me what you thought of it, and also comment what kind of things you like to add to your mac and cheese to make it extra special, your very own twist. I would love to try some new ideas in our house. And please like, share, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell if you are subscribing so that you are notified every time that I post a new video and a new recipe, something to make in your Instant Pot.